This is Embracing Digital This Week with Darren Pulsifer. This week's top stories. In artificial intelligence news, OpenAI is cooking a new dish. ChatGPT personal assistant for the workplace. It's like having your own AI sidekick to help with tasks. But let's hope it doesn't ask for a promotion. With this move, OpenAI might be gearing up for a rivalry with Microsoft. Will they duke it out like the tech gladiators? Stay tuned. AI now reveals your body's trouble spots, introducing Body Scan by Zing, using unique AI technology, an app that promises to revolutionize your shopping experience. Scanning your body with your phone's camera provides accurate measurements for the perfect fit. Finally, no more fashion mishaps or awkward dressing room encounters. Are you ready to hear the brutal truth from an AI? Move over Alexa, Siri, and Google Home. Josh has entered the building. Imagine a smart home platform that can control your devices and engage in meaningful conversations with you. Well, the future is here. The first GPT-powered smart home platform has arrived, making your living space more innovative and interactive. It's like having a chatty roommate who always knows when to turn up the heat and when to dim the lights. Get ready to experience a new level of home automation. In data management news, Snowflake, the cloud platform, unveils new updates catering to enterprises' rising demand for generative AI. With enhanced data management and analysis capabilities, Snowflake empowers organizations to leverage AI and machine learning for more accurate predictions and insights. Stay ahead of the curve as Snowflake continues to evolve the enterprise AI. Not to be left behind, Databricks, a popular data and AI platform, makes waves with its acquisition of Mosaic ML for a whopping $1.3 billion. This strategic move is set to bolster Databricks' generative AI offerings, further strengthening its position in the market. By integrating Mosaic's ML advanced machine learning capabilities, Databricks aims to provide enhanced tools for data scientists and accelerate innovation in AI-driven applications. In ways of consuming lots of data scientists are looking at sonification, the turning of data into sounds or music, to understand data differently. The article Through the Looking Glass, Sounds of Data, discovers a magical world of data sonification where numbers come to life as melodies. It's like turning data into a catchy tune that will have you tapping your feet. Check if your data sounds like Happy by Pharrell Williams or Mozart's Requiem. In ubiquitous computing news, following Intel's lead to build the Silicon Heartland, Amazon is making it rain in Ohio. The e-commerce giant is expanding its investment to $7.8 billion in the state, with cloud computing operations promising more jobs and economic growth. This follows Intel and other companies with over $100 billion investments in Ohio. Buckle up, Ohioans, because it's about to pour innovation and opportunity from the cloud. Get ready for a downpour of tech goodness in the Buckeye State. A forecast for the next 5 years predicts significant growth over 13.2% CAGR to $84 billion by 2028 in the cloud computing market for retail banking. IBM, Microsoft, and Oracle expected to play critical roles in this expansion. With the banking sector increasingly adopting cloud solutions, technology giants are posed to offer innovative, secure platforms to meet industry's evolving needs. Get ready for a cloudy future in banking. In an insightful interview, George Chambers, CIO of Health and Human Services in the United States, HHS, explains how they transform multiple cloud contracts into shared services through the Cloud Exchange 2023. This innovative approach enables HHS to streamline operations, optimize costs, and enhance collaboration across the organization. That's it for Embracing Digital this week. If you've enjoyed this episode, check out our full-length weekly podcast, Embracing Digital Transformation, and check out our website, embracingdigital.org. Until next week, go out and do something wonderful.